kaya ma mo so Emma show we so that no. This is the problem. I face now you know something?
No.
Oman we say there were two issues. Yankan religious asaman kan kire wo a political issue e be ka kire wo. Sansam me no we say e na edi yawu.
Yes.
Enti we mu de obu a ote ne keke. Na so yale bo wo a no we say wa ba Nyankopon wo ba bewu. Na ya wo mu nyina achi no asamu a omode ba ne say omo say insuo Africa na say wiade ye kan Africa fo asam ne o.
Yes.
You can't Africa for
dirty water kills 5,000 children a day.
A day? For mommy.
And yet a year.
A
year.
People are dying.
5,000.
Me say yaw, I have the uncle much wrong.
How do you mean to
me? Me papa yaw.
How do you mean?
Me koye you. I say travel and see. E kola kolabu. The baby one man dey kolagugu. Na yaw de kola no apepie so. Pepie so. Ko to kola bia odun say go no bo. Ya pa ne yam o de se gunubo na kam ze kai ko kuma nso hey na me be yana fi no me jachire
na old man atwaso
hwe ensu ya yawo enipa enom ene obia nom kejetia sunyani
yes pio
kumase tamale be bibia hwe me bia wo fro mi fi bia no obia wo pure water oton no mo say sachet water good me more brand be edin
sir
no mo no is coming to wa pe no afra no pure water bra 20 pesos no wa ka na yo ona e ko no
okay
onim say ensu mi numi say me no acid and say me no alkali onim
is come there de nam no
Bible say lack of knowledge
people perish.
My people perish enipa mu kwa I am defending the creator today.
Okay.
So oba de onye bonofo. Nkofo bonofo a enka obi nya 900 years ansa no wawu.
Yes.
Sarah onye fie say 90 years. So no owo Isaac.
And obi nya 45 no wo kra na ye wanwa.
Problem. Enti no yaw. Wei. Ana ye test nsuo.
Okay.
Obi ka se menya no hefa.
Kwasha me bisa na ye pebi e besi da nya bi na.
Bro ni bi am say na oye scientist our Canadian Atomic Energy. I quite program odi yechi a odi ade we say mema obi antobi una ken kan ye and a week say obi antobi efa mo the phone echi
I think say man be craft fresh so di ho dance.
Thank you sunyan ofrai utie so na man kan say onimu papa
quantum radiation
protection enuni
okay sa de we ni na obi pebi ato obenya de
I have it.
Oh okay and area ye be brem na mo pebi ato
ya me phone echi nke ebi mo no mo a sabi nke menya cancer
Baba de okay dey na say person ka say menya cancer o
say ye will be aye yusu
yeah
and na prevent yen last week say me phone no kire
yeah
o be here echi ya cause menya no every day no ana me suro
okay
eti me ko hospital na me yale mo asum yam Gana me obi e ka koko ma so adura bre amfa koko aduro yo my yes ah tana enye koko
okay
be woni half e punsuo wasu kekawa na minim koko aduro
ho otitimi ga kin
koko aduro yo no say da bia do enye koko mfa hospital me ko ye no omo check me no na doctor be say who receive course how many times a day so doctor me yero onye course asemo so I just want to know so bebere or say this is the problem who nya radiation
okay
in the brain we say me or say yes
sabrin ka badam fa wasa ba wa dream
yeah hey no say unya call a men fantar wa so ho fokuta no say you should hear pain yeah na my basa because me nya course pa program into no before I program na program ka me say kweko ube coordinator na course ba wo so no untumi asa nkom hye me da minim no e chere me ka say no me da inti ku bo ofre me a ya mo kro me mfa because me fei hello na hwan nie obi ja nche no wotie
yes
say me do fear ansana
why of course
ya na me bre pa me ntumi na eti ebra e koshi a broni no one watagate me kasa me nkansa me transfer minister Jogate ne bra perifano Dr. Gatti.
Yes.
Brunidi we man ya na me use ya no. Dem say sana eduro bi wo hampa. Be sin ne. Afam say more than 2 years o. Be sin ne.
2 years yes eh.
Bro. Yaw, be sin ne. Say me ti bibi masum. No, e no bibi oto bia so no a oka say ade we say enye.
Okay.
Wo the telephone na chi a na telepa. So why there? No tell another phone chi dia. Please, enye dwuma.
Two phones 4 so top 4.
Wo me say me television.
And so say top ba ko be 100 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, ne bonya den.
How was it nipa nye?
Anybody discuss how?
So we nkwa. Nti so for pa na okọ ye na so me to 1000 cedis 2000.
Nka
Ai say wonom.
Nka gba dem.
Anko omo nto. Na dey say 100 cedis a. Na woni ba ko bi aba. Ayi ensu akese ese bi no. So for ko to na fa disposable cups nketo yi. Obu ba ko 1000 Ghana cedis.
Omo de
ensu ya de mpeja che we ya so we hira so.
Yeah, ono afa ko bi da.
Oto na bedu half na. Say no kasor cap ni hwe be santem to you say 500 cedis. Obugo se no atum 500 cedis. We hira so.
The person no offer.
Enju we turn 100 cedis ye mbu obi a mo obi ada.
The person no
offer na no koton.
Cemetery ko efieye. Afode bia wo mo cemetery ho no mo. Ebi dia ya ma am ya prela na kan ho. Enti no no kai enti nsamba na ka to ma for dem ho no. Ebi ya ma
ya brenti anko
ya
na fe.
I will say
hey ukra unsuo nyina.
Oh, ya me kwa nsu be say be 5 for her say. Nsuo ahodo be 5. Na mo no for the sake of the company enti no.
Yes.
Me ma company bia nsuo no me modi won ase. Ba ku nie
do a bia defamation meeting now.
Ba ku nie na mayi no. Enti mete se no mahwe agum. Na so no ye de do na test.
Edura bia nipa so pachiye. We make say ensuo be na ode ye so am ye hunu e bia kofa ensuo bi firi ba bi na ade ba. But me ba ye be nkwa be kuta na.
So pa. Me ba chere ensuo me ba chere.
Ye be nkwa be kuta no a on be hu say sachet water but nye company bi ntu de ote anu ya kama. Because nipa ni masam ka na dia na de she tokro mo sane ya ye de ye hunu bi. Sachet water na ebi enie. Ede fami ma se wakọ Burkina no ka so to nsu a nsu ra no de ne se edu ni nyina se no de yi no de ama ho eni sachet water ene kuta ntwaye wo ho na nso ye pese kame ase bia ye se obi nsu ana ye bo obi nsu ho daro de ama no enti eni pure water ene kuta wo ha no
Yo, the be am ka say Christopher tunum bi. Omo say Yesu din
daya boso
anwanwe din na ya boso.
Ye be say obunsam nyuma nyinara
to destroy the works of the devil.
Meninye anka ne beti asori.
We are healing people.
Okay.
We are helping people.
Yes.
To get life.
Yeah.
So we buy all the more so we are member of Freedom and Movement. We are healthy.
Yes.
We will teach you how to eat, how to live, how to walk, how to speak to people, how to pray. Yenya grow.
Yenya bre.
Yema nipa ehun Yankopon. Ye no, yenya say yo, yenya cemetery. Yenya bi.
Afafia gum.
Yenya bi. Obanyi na che. Mi hwie ya o. Eno ni. Thank you. Wahu. Good.
Na me moa we.
Jiwe ye. Eno ni o. Mitasu yi another one.
Ti we nsuo foforo.
Obekata so.
Amekuta. Obekuta.
Nsuo be 5 mo be
me dinya be bombo.
Ba ku su nie, e say brand no wa ha, e fan kire. Ba ku su nie. Bi suma me. Thank you.
Nya homa bi kran ka blisi ni po.
Sara me ken.
Me for so.
Ala me ni.
Edu dia mama bi akra.
Yeah,
right, we shall because I say Wake Up Africa Jumadi and Agusu a wo hye no na baby edu no ye experiment am ya say yensu a ye no no ebi ekuyen enye ni nyina ebi o ho a ekuye pa ebi so e ade a eboa yen na
ba ko so ni
akai wo say dwumadi eye eba ne heba shop a mo de Hepa Plus and afi Pavi and Plasmos eba adwa so no omo ene bo echidom ema yetumi de dwumadi ebrewo na eye Pavi and Plasmos no eye eldro bia malaria de etu ase na nyina yakenka ye hunu eye nduru ahodo odwa so ye fake malaria drugs a ema nipa ewu ewa Ghana ene abibrem ha producer na ya de fabreme bomodin fabreme mo aha na ya jamidi agu
second one no
na me pato me second one ade hwegu na me mo wa ha aha ai ma hwia mo na broso
thank you fefio
okay akafif ai
intino insuo ne miensa
intunya Pavian plasmon so na nom a malaria parasite bi enu a ebetimi atra nipaduanim ana wonom eye Hepa Plus so a eno na siesie onipaduanim ema nie manyina timi koyi edema wo na bema waye mre wo mpamu wo no Hepa Plus no etumi ebo adwuma ema ho etumi to sara nso so ena oba wo menstrual disorder also no Hepa Plus na ekoyi afato afa
yo for ifa kire na amanfo hunu medigum
fagum chat na da so ntie digum ye hekala na fe 2 3 4 5 okay
One,
kai bi de
2 3 4 5
okay
1 2 3 4 5 na fi no yembo buaso
we na digum no de ya
we no na efe no regent
okay
and e test nsuo
okay
dem say nsuo na wonnom no eye acidic na say eye alkaline
and na say neutral
na say neutral
okay
good
right. Ti nsuo mi ensa de na edi
that is it
okay
ba kuna da ha say no
fa no so krama mi si hana amu say ye
na woso
awoso
ya fesi ho
okay nsuo ahodo mi ensa na efa ayo ene de adukro na na so mu ye wie ye no ye nya ba ko color we eye orange
fatire
we eye green we I say apple green and we don't find lemon green to we say nsuo ahodo no adukro na na de so mu
yes
ye wie ye no colors ni nie na ye hwe chart no so a ye de no nsuo na say ena no so tie ye be stress camera no so capture eno so
amafu people are drinking acid
offer interpretation so emayen right enti camera no e capture enduro na sisi ha na asanso capture we ye hwe ye nya yellow color right aha yellow color no we orange enti ye be hwe chart no so a I think say orange color no enie aha camera no capture very good orange color no enie
acid
na ye hwe ba bia ewo sore ha na aha no ebemi hu say eye acid so eni say eko nipaduanim aha nti abasa ade anache say asem eye abafie no right ana second one no no so ni green na eye no so hwe mpa asesa green anyway aha sa green we say no hwe mu ya eno ni green no ene sa green we yes eno ni green anyway aha enti eno so follow he acid hey papa sisu yo aha green we ni nya no anafa boa aha we say green na ya hodo mienu enti dem de point e hemfimfi ase no eno no we ya aha eno no eni a wo hwe ni ya obehu very good eno say acid ana we green pa no sa green we say no na say so me say nyina ya acid o
yo we mpo na ya akala kakra neutral
okay we na ya neutral okay yeah neutral ni yeah onu gina mfimfi
yeah
neutral in the sound show we ni de yehu brand no de anka meta no kakra ai meta to
na ye wie yo na bia time nti na afu na ebi so ha say
ayo ye ni nyina
mate
ya ba ti ye hwe we ni gu ayi
we gu ayi mu no na ewuru mansa
ye hwe ngu ade na ye hwe nti eno nkwa akra no baje time ni nyina na be mo hu de nti asa wo yare a say wo hu de nti a wo yare ni nduro so abenomo ni nduro so abenomo no ka wo say wanom Hepa Plus eno be hiesie mo gyanim ayi ni padua no nyina brebo ne wakoma ho yarewa wanom sa nsuo we mu amna be gina mu no Hepa Plus ni be yi ni nyina firi ho e de amount na se koba se malaria de a wo de ha ho se edi kan mo hu nduru e badwa so fake a ene kum nipa no eno so nya aye pavian plasma so ne de a malaria away na ho atumi ato okay
ba ko so nie ende mbagine fi ha ya
oh
we efia fo nsi omo nom no titino
ele asebo ya to omo omo anyina yie
enti gina ehwie
na se koba se musu ne be hye no so me be si ba bi pa mo ma wo se musu ni nie eh asa aketo adodo okay omo je ne dikan
no
na mo hwe
so ya
anu se zufoforo
e wo krumu
papa wa daju e kwa no se ayi standard board for stamp crab
e fa nyina bo ho
ayo
nyina wo ho
okay
Isso.
Okay.
We say amanfo ewu nyina efi nyankopon ana
Mo de na mo no mo.
enu na dikan no ma se so ba Francis ne ayi gamana mo ne de la ne ma kwa me nkroma ne ma
De o mu twa no.
enso mu twa no omo twa no mo twi ni meme na mo hwe ade amono gumu yam mo nyina ye na nko papa na ko ye ayi green sa foto bibire ofia ne orange sa nka na
ye de gum
ba ko
1
2 3 4 5
1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3
aba roba na siwe nim
5
Oh, ya nya
okay
ya ma bi ebubu aso
Mo mu wi aso.
se half wo de ni ni o omo de ni ka na ni hiam pa menum bi
Ye.
kai
Ye. Asabu bo.
kai omo so mba me ba mo mbi no mo ye ai
Mo de no e. Na be.
enu ni na si ahan si anan
Sa ni first one.
enu first one ye pe
poisonous
Ya.
sie
Ba ma mu ma mi nso.
omo mo de aso benya hepa plus we de kanum bi kura na
ya
bo mo de na pe hepa plus
ya
Acid.
hwensi amafo no mo dwa so
kese ensu ahodo ensia adba me try na bia no enya move na se orange color npo
dabi
se de wa hai
dabi
e bia no enya color we nya ni nyina ye we mo ba am se mienu we ka ho mienu ana etibenya deep green we a e be ka se ni neutral right ye fan check camera ni mi ana etimi enya neutral bia ka ni nyina
and the hospital are expensive
na ofo bebusa se sisi na mo a yenkopa de obi nhye ye ho ne fan testing shoe na yenye den
unya bi e beboa wo because me say ensu am me nom no e pure alkaline
okay
na me nom
tu to ba ko odwa so na o test na say alkaline dia na de sansuo na yo nsuo
nsuo
okay
na wo nom because yaw yale ye
me pese ensuo ye esi ye ye ba ko hwa de because en de no ana me de bibia o one test me asama to me o mi suru
amanfo owu
ye test sansuo hwa de
amanfo owu
ye test sansuo hwa
ema amanfo owu no
da bi bottle water bi aja empesi bi go bi adwuma ye nye krado se obi fe ko gina court ye futu ani di tu amanfo na fe pete
Nje ba na se ni
asomudu anu ya kala ya amekoso anum
ahwefo square de.
ahwefo no ye be ene ye betima kan sukro ye betima kan sukro
yaw ebisini
se ne be bustu company ni market
Sa ga me kan.
we ni de
wo
ya
die ni o ana se me die ni
we ni ensuo de hia
ensuo
meka we no
Dia wo nom no.
yes
wo so de anoma de free bae ni
Thank you.
oh okay
ana wo so die ni
ai afade no afade ni mi de na bia
Eno abi.
afa smart to you
Oh. Asa
asa de dia asa ya pass ye make sure you see say the color is color pe
Asa ni de.
na say wo de anom kra wasan bubi aba
ai
abranto ye nya bre
ehia nsu am nom no
neutral
me nsuo ni
onum neutral mesum nsuo nie mesum num neutral afedi ekebi yedum super
you see
okay
Chat no bra.
yaw unsuo
to
no
hear chart na we chart na deep green no e neutral eno enye acidic ana no so a enye akala ejina finfin
Yeah.
which means say onomo a unya problem bia
Dabi.
na mpokura no wonya problem a hepa plus wonomo a ebe kokuru mo jani mafa ntrintin mu nyina yi sa nyarwa fini nyina enti bo de hepa plus de abuhia bia ma ne nsantumi ka bi mo pe bi atu aton anase mo pe bi aton no pharmacy shop bia no koma benya bi na imom dodo atu aton no emfre 0542 778 572 na hepa plus no eni kanko yi mu amano no mu na gugu mu ni padua de mu no ko ohuru mu na mama
me nsem nyina me de kwa
ye deep pa na say green bi ni kura wom kura we ni deep since that green
we ni ya akaline
papa
we ni ya akaline tu ni ya akaline enti no nsu ya oda so amanfo nom no 80% e poisonous
ekuyen
na yanka esan say wo kan na o say obi adwuma wo ye threat to die
yes
adantina sa ayi we say no eni krom
aha ti say the question me say sabra manfo bi so mo ofie mu ni say omu besi ntanya sa de we
omo ye meeting bi kura mpo kire say African ha say GM food for me meeting no say me emfa label emmo aduane ho say we ye GMO we ye organic
yes
aboche de wo ho African say me enye adentia
opeye kunyan
opeye
na ye say ne no wo de ye fa abode kwan so e pra ye
sa de tia
enta program
yeah, for
Africans and Eurogental and scientific racism
yeah we for two more against the human rights
yes
they would no ano na eku slow killing
right
slow killing
your messages in twama
e tell man wasi
na de wow jejerejo me say me koyi because sabra man for ku fi o amafo no poison ada na mumie hu nsukro no abusu nsukro de ma mu hu kire se ensem twa adwuma na ye no emre da ho no so eya ne ka defamation a enye ni se ebia wo ka asema gu nipa ehu finko anemomo no wo statement bia wo make anase wo hwere en so betumi agu obi product hu fi no eno so ti amra ntina yemfa ebia anche no nemom ye mama hu se sachet water enso ya friend send friend pure water enkramba no but yes pure ogo kwaze so dia pure water eno abi ne test ye ana bottle water bi so esia na nyame ncha de me dia menom eno ofa dia wonom ene de ko di free fie baaye no green semi kram media na bia ana wade be da me semi kram wan dia media no da
ba different o different o
around there different preacher ba
yeah no ka banka ho yeah no wakame because you na manuasi
okay
yeah
aja
aya ko habo Ghana form fa bochire ba no 90% omba bodo musu na ba
okay koma be hu se de ne mo
kona kwa omo hu se yensuo no abrofo sai no
okay
enti obi ba obedi wa 3 visa o hwe nsuo a obedi be 1 month okwa na oja ho na de ko aha nsuo ana ye se omo kire omo ho enye se o kire ho wo hu se abrofo poison yensuo na enu no ha se no omo sai no
right
enuti me chire batu o Italy ya wantwi oba no na ya we ye ase bra hwe mo munu bi wa ho ndi bi na no ha sei me de minsu aba o de ebi car na ma jesi anu mo
okay
ya me tesi nsu ni hwe fantastic alkaline
crudging
say oh wow
right abusa because aka say wake up Africa Jumadi and I share no na mo amwo eye takwa ene ne mpatamu se rubi send message a opese or water kwa no pese ko join group ni binom oba frɛ eye dada e was 0244 46 no 0244 44 6141 0244 44 6141 na onsa atumi aka ekuo ni panifo na kwa join ni bi numbers ahodo a ekrole na se nam TV na se nyina no eye nkuro ahodo a your branch ewo ho na ebiemu nso so no opese okọ join ni se oben na ben nkuro na ofa sa numbers ne fra panifo bejo so na okọ join free the mind movement na but modern se onsa betumi aka card membership card obetumi de atua odi side dues kakra na mutua no eno ana mi tumi nya donhwere mienu ewo ye TV station so abribia no yetumi bo ensem ho dawro no ede emamo na adwumako so abo echi dom de yakana asem Hepa Plus ye ebanage heba shop wɔn ɛna de hepa plus no abadwa soɔ esiesie mo gyam ɛyɛ mbrɛboɔ mu ndwuma na ɛboa ɛma ɔbaa na fikyi kɔ ebubu tɔɔtɔɔtɔ no etimi sisi ne nan so yie saa so na bɛrima ne kɔ agudo nso ehun abobiri gidigidi ne tadua ne mu ayɛ mmerɛ no ɛno nso ɔnom hepa plus ne bi a ogyina ne nan so mmiɛnma na mu apiafo na ɛno akyi so no yɛwɔ ɛyɛ pavi and plasma so hɔ a ɛnde malaria pɛ ɛna etu n'aseɛ nti de fake drugs na wanonom biara na malaria no bosomi biara wonya bie no mepacho gya ne nyinaa to na kɔnom pavi and plasma so no ne no ɛna beyi saa malaria parasite ne nyinaa no afiri nipaduam baabi a bɛtɔ bibiara ɛtɛn Ghana cedis ɛfo paa na akɔfa dodo atu na sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ndaka no ɔfa box a ɛno nso so no deɛ ɔmo ɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔmo bɔ ɔmɔden na ɔmo ate so 75 cedis ɛde amount instead of 300 Ghana cedis no ɔbɛtɔ no 225 na wobɛnya no saa deɛ a kye sɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ ahensan ɛba ne herbal shop ɛwɔ hɔ ana afei ɛyɛ tafo so ɛdeɛ no na wofrɛ mpadifo 0542 778572 0542 778572 a ɔmbɛboa na wanya bi atɔ quick answer na bɛkɔ of apoku dankwa hɔ no brɛ ne yɛ tie yɛmfa messages mienu miɛnsa bi twam wɔsi keep the good work. I'm watching you live from Ejura Ashanti. My name is Latif Lachichi. Wono ne dia wɔde ɛba yɛ ɛno no we nso so ɔse I'm Oberima Cranton. I watch you always and I feel totally liberated. Thank you, the King Solomon of our time. Right. We so I say I'm Christian Opong from Mampong Ashanti. I've learned that nutrient that is found in our food have now been reduced. One of the son dia or de eba ye no ahodindura ewo yenu animu no wose wo hu se ne so ate se hwi. I want to join your group. What will I do? Me patcho friend 0207 782 482 anaso hwe na mesenam TV na sena wo hwe de ben ba bi a wo na na wafre sa na meseno empanifo so betumi ama wa join ebin we nso so o se akwa message wa right nkrofo na come home yesre we eye messages ane ye kan enye line ane ye bie nempo no ye bie line so anya ade afre we so a ye betumi afa wo so odame ayasemo so odame please I want to join. I say I have joined the movement. I say, can I join the movement? Because movement or question mark. But if that is so, there, can I join the movement or another seminar? I have been following with keen interest, but I shall be requesting some of your books soon. Can I get the contact of the nearby representative for Takwa and the Takwa Diano? And I'm TV and say, but yes, still no bit to me after 0244 446141. 0244446141 na takwafo no ajo so mesre mo a mo frɛ eye message line ne se munjan because empoke abiefo line kra to mo a kanya ade se wo frɛ line we so a ye betumi anya wo na kampese yembi entumu line na da TV no so sia no for messages pɛ enti wo frɛ a menim se on pese be kan man for messages amomu se wa bende winim wo say potable water should be neutral not alkaline. Nice program do obi so de no say potable water no I say ye neutral na mumini say ye alkaline. Okay bano so de eno no ye dana se yemfa we so e wa ha say please what water do you drink Mr. Dame Johnny Edifrey Juso Johnny music na me no mo see me in chambers na menchiro na economy bi we so say please can the quantum radiation protection expire? Ya bless you all with the good work. Kwame Ado kwa nkwatia anodu free buy of our say timi expire na right ye normal SMS na yenko eye WhatsApp de no so hwe ebetumi afa kakra e wa ha Hey, WhatsApp messages in the crowd. I'm going to be a machine. Say, good afternoon, Mr. Adame. We thank Wake Up Africa for opening the Ghanaians' mind. I'm Osei KSB. Oh, okay. Ko say, ko Jack. Boss we go. Then the moon to. Yes, I just about. Say, and greetings to my boss, Mr. Ayaba. Mr. Ayaba. Baby, I will be no mechiao. Nimse techiman. Ana more. I say hi. Of Adame, my greetings to you. and the 2 wise men. Is it true that we are worshiping human-made Jesus Christ from Brother Kwesi Poku? Kwesi, I'm saying, enya ho ana yenkomo no enam. We also Francis Sunyane. I say, please, what is bad is bad. And so, if you show the company, you are only creating awareness for the benefit of our viewers. So for me, you should not be afraid to show the company. Go, Yati, okay. I say, good afternoon, Wake Up Africa. You nearly exposed one of the companies. Anyway, good program for today. Onyankopon Inshramo. But please, why didn't you do the same about the bottle ones from Yao Obwase? Yao, yebeyo. Upon next week, yebeyo. And once you be yilebu na free home. Aha, you be yilebu na free home. But I'm going yilebu ni free home. Okay. Or say, good afternoon, Mr. Dame and your team. May God richly bless you for the good work. Please, our problem in Ghana here is about politics and religion. Said of our kind, as Mr. Israel said, our leaders are selfish and irresponsible to duty. We always cry for job, but when one is put in authority to protect us, they take bribe and refuse to protect us by stopping those unauthorized foods and drinks in the market. Last week, Nigeria Food and Drugs Authority, but impounded on imported sugar, which was tested to have copper, mercury, and etc. The white is trying all means to eliminate blacks from the earth. Let's wake up, youth of Ghana, to hold our leaders accountable. God bless you. Innocent from Kwame Danso, okay, in Bono East. Kwame Danso, what I said, and I know I was over demonstration. Yet, platform will say we do come. China, we shall me. I would have room at Cheso. Now, Yanka Wasam. Yahweh, share your brand, and I hope the messages in the okay. Was say, please, what kind of water do you drink? We are saying we say beam. We said it. Yeah, no, it too free from Buranibi. It too. I said, Ghana. I'm even speechless. I'm Ima from Akimonda. Ima. The come crowd say yes, but was watching not the any say no, you know the amount. Yet you do when you say you refer your time at you show you there. Eh, wouldn't be a wo. Was say, please, could you please tell me the water you drink so that I can buy some? Hey, I just say you. You know, so grab me iska. You tongue. Was say, good afternoon, Wake Up Africa. Thanks for your good message. God bless you all. From Kofi Asamoah, aka Great Papa Sankore. Anono anyway everybody
Kofi Asamoah.
Aye. When you know.
Oni adi nkowa.
Okay.
Kofi ye opa.
Oh, okay.
Kofi ye chao.
Kofi ye nabra. Also Afadankwa and your group, I salute you for your good work and education. Please, where can I get some of the reagents used to test water to buy? From Berima Ewua Anas of Akwisi Akwase Nkoko. Again, I want to be a member. I'm at Nkoko Akwase. Where should I go for membership? Nkoko. I think it's Koforidua. Okay, Koforidua be ben omo. Ana Kumasi so. Inti Koforidua no obe frɛ of Akuma or brother Kuma 0249 622 212 0249 622 212. Yes, I also have Kumasi so no over friend brother Edu. But I mean brother Edu. I was 0244 580 344 0244 580 344. Right, over me about 2 minutes bia. Me the messages aka be so na fe bajama of Apoku Dankwana yet to me atwa dwumade ne eso. Message in there. Afamani so.
Abefa.
Or say, before the white man, Africans have a tree called Nyamidua. This clearly implies that Africans' relationship with Yah predate any other people on earth. if you are really working for righteousness, then as a journalist, you should be able to write down your honest opinion on any paper you are connected to. Thank you. Asem we there, my name said your person can there. Okay.
Still our person obo.
Okay. Or no person.
Bobodi.
I was say if you are really working for righteousness, then as a journalist, you should be able to write down your honest opinion on any paper you are connected to. Paper Chomate, may a broadcast journalist too. Professional one. Okay. I say I'm speechless. Offer and Nkrumah, you people are the messiahs of our time. Bernard at Pungurugu, and also Edwin Ebaye. We so say good afternoon. I'm Evans K. Jima from Sefi Bakwai. Indeed, I'm watching you live, but I'm having problem with you. Why showing us all this, but you don't have right to prove what is right? Okay. We so say, please, in as much as you are educating the true African to live a healthy life, recommended to us some of the local sachet water we should patronage from teacher Kwesi Edu Enyan Abase. Wakofa asmaba. Wakofa asmaba. Yes, asam na aka no. Aso kokro bia so a omo brand of sachet water. Okay. We so say, hi bro, good afternoon. Please, what water should I drink? Because I was shocked after watching your testing on the screen. Hey, aso we be pala. I say, please, I want to be the coordinator at Twifo Praso. I'm watching from Twifo Praso. I'm blessed for watching the program. How can I become a coordinator at this place? Twifo Praso. Okay. Okay, no, just a minute. My name is Osei from Sefi Humjebre. I research a lot